Well, good evening. It's Mark Finan here in the home weather office. It's Sunday night, the 12th day of February. Thought I'd give you an update on what we can expect for this upcoming week. It looks like a relatively dry week. There are a couple of very weak chances of precipitation, but it looks as though through this work week, we're not going to have to worry about anything in the way of significant rain or snow. However, it does look as though it's going to be relatively cool once again. Now, today was the warmest day that we have seen. These are the daytime highs we saw. At the top of the screen, you can see Executive Airport hit 72. Downtown Sacramento hit 71. That's the first time this year that temperatures have been at or above 70 in much of the area. Let's see. Stockton at the bottom of the screen also went over 70 degrees today. So yeah, it was a warm day, but today is going to be the warmest day we are going to see for a while. The overall pattern getting ready to change once again. So what we're showing here is the flow up at what we call 500 millibars. This is up around 20,000 feet. And this is skipping ahead to the day on Tuesday. And what you can see there is a little system has gone by, and it's gone by to the east of the Sierra. And what we have behind that is cold air and a gusty north wind. Nothing too outrageous in terms of the wind, but this is the wind that we're going to see during the day Tuesday. It's that north wind. You can see in Sacramento County and San Joaquin County, those areas of darker green, indicating some winds that are be 10, 20. So starting late Monday night and into the day Tuesday, it'll be breezy throughout the area. And with that colder air moving in, of course, it's also going to feel rather chilly. Now, it could bring a little bit of snow with it. This is the snow first thing on Tuesday morning. As you can see, the valley is dry, but there's that little bit of blue up there around Tahoe. And then this is the afternoon, same thing. And you do see some rain off the coast. But then if you look at the total snow accumulation, that little shaded area of very light blue in the Sierra, that's about 2 to 3 inches of snow. It's probably even less than what we saw over the weekend. So I just don't think we're going to see much out of that. So that's the system that goes by on Tuesday. So let's go back to the bigger flow and skip ahead later on into the week. Let's getting into the day Thursday, and we will start to warm up by the end of the week. And there's another weather system off the coast, but it looks as though this is also just going to kind of slide down the coast and stay away from us. It'll change things up a little bit. It gives us a few clouds, but it doesn't look as though it'll do anything for us in terms of rain. And I can show you just how that thing slides down the coast. This is getting into Friday night. And yeah, Northern California, we're just in this dry north flow. So between now and the weekend, this is the total precipitation accumulation. And as you can see, the valley is dry. You see some green in the Sierra. That's the bit of snow you may see on Tuesday. And you see some rain off the coast. But if you were somebody that works outdoors and you worry about precipitation for this week, it doesn't look as though we'll see anything in the way of significant precipitation all the way through this week. But one of the things we will notice is that it'll be cold. I think especially Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, we have the potential to be down in the 30s. So the day that we had today, the temperature's up around 70 degrees or so. It was nice, but that's as warm as it's going to get for a while. Tomorrow we begin the transition to a little bit cooler, and then the middle part of the week will feel rather chilly once again. But looking ahead to next weekend, if you want to head to the mountains, right now it doesn't look as though we'll see anything in the way of new snow and nothing in the way of travel issues. So that's your outlook for the week. Hope you have a great rest of your Sunday evening and a great work week coming up.